Hey everyone, I'm Elmar. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Windows Server 2012 R2 using Oracle VM VirtualBox. I'm starting here by creating a new virtual machine. I'll just name it Windows Server, keeping it simple. You can see the folder is set to my default VirtualBox path. Now, I need to select my ISO image. There it is. I'm going to check the box to skip unattended installation because I want to show you guys the manual process step by step. Next up is the hardware. I'm adjusting the base memory and the number of CPUs here. For the disk size, I'll set this to about 50 gigabytes to make sure we have enough room for the OS and any features we add later. Once I've reviewed the summary and everything looks good, I'll hit finish and power this VM on. Alright, the VM is booting up. We're met with the standard Windows setup screen. I'm sticking with English for the language and time formats and the US keyboard layout. Let's hit next and then install now. It'll take a second to start the setup. Now it's asking which version of the OS we want. I'm going to select Windows Server 2012. R2 standard with the GUI, the server with a GUI option. So we actually have a desktop to work with. Of course, we have to accept the license terms here. Just click that checkbox and move forward. Since this is a fresh install, I'm choosing Custom. Install Windows only. I see my 50 gigabytes of unallocated space. I'll click New and Apply to create the partition. Windows is going to tell me it might create extra partitions for system files. That's totally normal, so I'll just click OK. Now that the primary partition is ready, let's hit Next. This is the part where we wait. It's copying files, getting them ready, and installing features. You'll see the progress bar moving along. It says it'll restart a few times, so don't be alarmed when the screen goes black and the VirtualBox logo pops back up. We're currently sitting at about 99% on the file preparation, and there goes the restart. Almost there. Now it's asking for an administrator password. Make sure you pick something that meets the complexity requirements, capital letters, numbers, and all that, or it won't let you through. Once that's set, I'll log in for the first time. We're in. I'll just click yes on the network prompt here. The Server Manager dashboard is opening up automatically, which confirms the installation was a success. You can see Windows Server 2012 R2 standard evaluation down in the corner. Hope this helps you guys with your lab. Thanks for watching.